welcome to Dr. Tom's Throttle Therapy. And please subscribe to the channel. I'd love to build it up and keep creating stuff. So today's video is all about the Kawasaki GPZ900. So it had a total rebuild a few years ago by a guy called Peter Chicken from Bristol Way. He does GPZ900s. So lovely clean bike, so it's had everything done to it. As all old bikes, it's got a few niggles with it, a couple of water, oil leaks and things like that, but as you can see, a very, very clean GPZ900. So this was the first ride out for me since owning the bike. I'd got my Insta360 camera mounted up the rear on a pole, and just to try it out really. And as you can see, it sounds nice, looks nice, and performs okay. So on this particular day, I had a ride out to this sports bike shop in Boston, and from my house it's about 40 miles each way, and didn't miss a beat. Lovely bike. The only thing I'd say with this bike is it needs a better owner than me, because whenever I have to do anything to it, because I'm not mechanically minded at all, and especially on old classic bikes, I have to pay some money to fix it. So anybody looking for a really clean looking GPZ900 that knows what they're doing, drop me a comment. And so we're now at Sleaford roundabout, and heading towards home, probably 10-15 miles from here, and yeah, on my way home. So as you can see, the camera works quite well. I was quite impressed with the 360 camera, how it looks like someone's following you on a drone. And this was Dr. Tom's Throttle Therapy. Please subscribe to the channel.